What is up, guys? We made it through another week. It is Friday, and as you guys already know by the title, we're going to be talking about Turo, the side hustle that we've been doing a series on. This is video part 4, so if you haven't checked out the other 3 videos, I definitely recommend. In the other videos, again, just briefly, we've talked about how I price my car on Turo, how does the Turo insurance work, and which plan I personally pick and recommend, and then how to do airport drop-offs and how those drop-offs work. And today, this is a video that I was kind of thinking about doing, but not really, because I've been doing other videos, or I've done videos in the past similar to this one. However, people still ask me for that. I still kept getting those comments. And so that question is, how do I clean my car? So I thought it would be a good moment, especially for the series, to just kind of, clear the waters and make, this video hopefully a little bit easier. Now, I will be walking you over through my whole car washing process. But if you're more like me, sometimes, you just want to get to the nitty gritty, just the good stuff, all the details. And so I'm going to go over these first 2 minutes, just going to explain everything real quick. And then I'm going to go on site to my car, get some washing, because I have to pretty much, get the car washed and illustrate you guys and show you the product. So with that being said, guys, let's go ahead and begin. Now, let's see here. I'm going through my notes. Okay, so I'll start with tip number 1. So first thing I do want to say is I wash my own cars. I don't pay anybody to wash my cars. And that's simply because if you want your profits to go down the drain, then go and pay someone to wash your cars. Because just think about it. Sometimes you'll be renting a car for 1 single day, sometimes 2 days. But if you're washing your car at least 10, maybe 10 times a month, that's already $250, a month, probably even more. That's if you pay $10 or, $25. But, long story short, I wash my own cars. I like to keep my profits, and so I like to wash my own cars. So that's the first tip of advice I'm going to give you. If you really want to be successful in Turo, I would recommend washing your own cars. It's simple. It allows you to kind of de-stress a little bit, and just do it. It's okay. Now, number 2, I use products from Chemical Guys. So as you guys can see on the website, these guys, the reason I use them, honestly, it's because they do something where it's like simple. It's like they don't make complicated products. They just have these kits that you just buy and you start. And again, I'll be going through the detail of all the products I personally use. It's only like really 3 or 4 products that I personally use. I don't have massive amounts of products here, but I definitely recommend you guys check them out. I'll leave a link to their website below. And you get like 20% off if you buy something. But I really like Chemical Guys because it's just an easy product. For me, it was a product that just leaves the car really nice, smelling good, and it's just perfect. It's easy, it's affordable, so I mean that kind of kills 2 birds with 1 stone. Now, step number 3 is really gonna be, I take no more than 30 minutes to 1 hour to wash my car. If you're like me, sometimes you'll be like, oh my god, there's a little streak here, and there's like, your car, sometimes it's very hard to leave perfect. And by the moment you drive it off to drop it off to a customer, it's probably gonna get dirty again. So, it's okay to be good or great for this matter. You don't need an exact surgery precision accuracy where you have, like everything under control. It's okay if there's a little few spots. Of course, you don't want to leave any noticeable spots. That's why you're washing it. That's why you're spot cleaning it. But it's okay to not leave it perfect. So if you're finding yourself washing your car for over 2 to 3 hours, you're doing a detail and you're doing it, it's time. Again, if you have nothing else to do, then I guess go for it. But if you're like me, I have other stuff that I want to be doing. So definitely no more than 30 minutes, hopefully no more than 1 hour tops per wash. And then finally, I'm going to be sharing how much I pay per my wash. Again, I did a video, and I'll leave a description or a link somewhere here in the YouTube video. But I did a video calculating pretty much the cents and the time and all that stuff. And I pay no more than $1 per my car wash. So it came out to like something like 75 cents or 17 cents. It was something much less than $1 per car, which is much better than the $25 because again, you're letting all your profits go. And again, if you don't want to see it that way, then look at it this way. Because I've been able to wash my own cars and save that money, I've been able to put it on the side, and I've been able to buy an ozone machine that I can use now. I've been able to buy a better vacuum, you know, that allows me to be much faster when cleaning cars. And so, you know, I've been also able to buy more accessories I want for the car, you know, better sunshades, you know, whatever, carpets, the seat covers, all that stuff, you know. So all that has been free thanks to the fact that I'm, you know, putting the hard work and washing the car and not paying someone else to do it. Now, again, guys, next part of the video is really going to be me walking you go over pretty much what I do when I wash the car. So I do hope you guys enjoyed the next part of the video. I'll see you guys in a moment. And again, please don't forget to hit that like button or smash the like button and subscribe. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year. So with your help, I do appreciate it again if you subscribe. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in just a moment. Also, guys, before we also begin, I do want to point out, these are some Michelin Supremacy MX M4 T1. They came with the car, and I've been doing Turo, and my tires are almost out. The whole set of tires actually costs roughly 800 bucks. But with Tire Dealer, I'm actually going to be able to pay much less than that. So the sponsor for this video is Tire Dealer. They ship all over the US for free, and I can give you guys an extra 8% or 10% depending on the season, whether it's winter tires, mud terrain tires, truck tires, Tesla tires, any type of tire. So definitely feel free to click the link on the description below. Check them out, because if you have a Turo business and you need tires, you're constantly going to need tires. So we could ship them out to your shop, to your home. But yeah, so just thank Tire Dealer for sponsoring this video today. Alright guys, so I have pretty much some requirements that we gotta do. So normally I use this thing and I dust out the car. So as you can see right here, I started dusting. You can see the dust and no dust. So these things are actually really good, right? So I'll use this to kind of clean it up. Most of the time the car is actually clean, or at least this car's color white. You know, it's very clean. There's some minimal stuff that we gotta probably fix up, you know, but we don't need a full wash. So, you know, I'll have like these little things right here, these little things that need to be cleaned. And I saw one right here earlier, right there. So what I do is normally I'll go ahead and wipe all the dust out from this car completely, right? Go ahead and dust all the car out. Then we're gonna go ahead and use this Chemical Guy product called Waterless Car Wash. This thing's like magic, guys. This thing's like, you just, and it's kind of funny the spray because it fell, but it's really good because you just spray it, and I'll show you guys actually here. So I'll use my microfiber, and we already dusted out this part right here. So we're gonna spray it, you know, maybe 1 or 2 sprays is enough. I wanna get the microfiber, and it's as simple as just washing it off. Now again, sometimes like this right here seems to be like soda or something. Can take a little bit of time to come off, but we just spray a little more, you know, maybe a little more strong. And you guys can see right here how this thing comes off. Not only that, it kind of leaves a nice little finish, you know, like glossy finish look. So I mean, for sure, definitely a product you want to buy. So I'll be spraying this all over the car, you know, just spot cleaning, we call it, right? Once I'm done with spot cleaning, I'll go ahead and jump. So once we're done with spot cleaning, I have another product called Total Interior Cleaner and Protectant. Now I use this for my glass. So again, I'll be spraying the glass right here, and boom, leaves a nice finish. You know, no, as long as your microfiber is clean, honestly, this thing leaves it perfect. I'll also clean the interior with this. So, and I'm gonna open right here So I also wash, you know, the dashboard here, the screen, the steering wheel, everything, right? sometimes even some of these, right? Because sometimes there'll be like spills, or there'll be, I don't know what the heck it is, but you know, we'll just use this right here, and this cleans everything. Has a nice little smell to it, not too strong, but that's what I use for the interior and for the glass. Now let's go back to my little cabinet here, or my little table. Next thing I use is for leather seats. Chemical guys as well, guys. Quick leather detailer. Now again, if you want to know where to buy these products, I actually have a link on the description below. It's a great way for you guys to support the channel, because I'm an affiliate to Chemical Guys, and I became an affiliate not because, you know, they pay me, but because I actually tried out their product and I liked it so much. I was like, I feel comfortable promoting this product. So leather quick detailer, again, I'll use it for all the leather seats, maybe sometimes for the steering wheel, and sometimes I actually also use this on the carpets, or on the mats, you know, all weather mats. But sometimes you'll have a mat like looking like this, you know, and so I'll show you guys in a moment. This will leave the mats like new, like very shiny and glossy. So this is what I use for the mats. Now, finally, and this is one of my favorite ones, we use tire shine, bro. So we gotta make sure that our tires are always shined. The wheels are clean. You can see right there, the wheel's kind of dirty. I have another video on how I fixed all these curb rashes. So I mean, it does look pretty bad, but customers consistently just damage the wheels. But you know, we use this for the tire damage, or I mean for the tire shine. As you guys can see, I have a different microfiber for every single thing, because if you mix microfibers, some of these things are more oily. You know, also on the products that I buy more, or that I use more, I buy these right here. So it's like a 5 or 1 gallon of the interior glass cleaner, of the waterless car wash. I don't even know what this is. Oh, tire shiner. And then I haven't even opened this one. This is for the leather seat. So, because at Walmart, you get these like for 16 bucks each, depending. Some are like 12, some are like 16. But, you know, if you're running through maybe one of these every month, it gets up pretty quick, you know. It depends really on how busy you are. But I was going through them every maybe 3 months, or every 2 months. And so I thought, you know what, I'm going to use them regardless. So might as well go with those. So they're like 30 bucks and you could refill like 10 times. So once I'm done with the car wash, guys, here in a moment, I'll go ahead and show you guys. But again, it normally takes me no more than 30 minutes. Get it spot cleaned. Again, if the car is really dirty, muddy, or it rained or something, then maybe I'll use my pressure washer over there that I bought at Home Depot for like 80 bucks. But other than that, right now it seems to be a pretty simple spot cleaning process. So I'll show you guys in a bit. Also, and sorry for the whole mess, guys, here, but I forgot to mention, of course, we have to vacuum the car, right? So this is what I used. I was using a home vacuum, and once I started doing Turo, you know, maybe after 2 to 3 months, once I knew I was making my money back and I had made money, I started investing in these things. And technically these things are all profit, right? So I bought the vacuum for like 60 bucks or 80 bucks, I forgot. I bought all the products. I bought the pressure washer. I just bought this pressure washer because I was too cheap to buy like a $200 one or $150 one, and this one was in Home Depot, and it works actually really well. I might do a review on this, but 80 bucks, so I'm happy for that. But yeah, forgot to mention about the vacuum. So yeah, we're gonna vacuum the car as well. All right, guys, so now we're done. The car's all good and ready to go. As you guys can see, we spot cleaned all of them. And I'll be honest, once it's under the sun, it's like impossible to clean every single streak. So, at least for me. So, it's good enough right now. It's clean for the customer. No more, you know, dirty spots. It's like, you know, at least most of it's cleaned up. And tires are looking good. The last time they used the chemical, I don't know what they used, because last time I did take it to a car wash, but I guess it must have been an oily chemical, and now I got those streaks on the hubcaps. And then inside, as you guys can see, The floor mat's much better. Put some tire shiner in there. And yeah, I mean, now that was it for today, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that like button. Again, smash that like button. Subscribe. We're trying to get those 1,000 subscribers. This Turo series is going to get even better. I'm going to be posting some other videos as well. So be sure to stick around. And you know, especially if you're thinking about being a Turo host, this series will definitely help you hopefully gain some new knowledge. And so again, with that, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I answer to every single question right now. To every single comment I get, I answer it. So feel free to comment for any questions or concerns. Also, feel free to reach out to me via Instagram or Telegram or any other social media. So again, thank you so much. I hope you guys have a great day. Be safe. See you next week for our next Turo part video. Bye.